World Machinery Solutions Company Limited was established in the year 2012. Located in number 118 Xinling Road, Pudongnu area, Shanghai, China. We mainly sell heavy construction equipment, foundation, port and oil drilling machinery, such as piling machine, SANY, SR150, SR200, SR235, SR250, SR280, SR360, SR155, 235, 265, 285 Bauer, BG25, BG26, BG28, 30, 38, crane, 25 to 600 ton truck crane, excavator, wheel loader and forklift. For serve our customers better, we have established a local products showroom factory, which located at number 99 Yuanzhong Road, Pudongnu area, Shanghai, China. It's covering an area of 5,000 square meters, which is the sample showroom and also our maintenance team with washing, repair and tidy, refurbishment, packing, storage, overall shipping, after-sales service. We have a complete sales system from product introduction to confirming order details to after-sales service, just to serve our customers better. With an annual export value of about 20 million US dollars, our products are now sold to the Middle East market, Central Asia market, Africa market, Russia, Turkey, and other countries. The production system and quality control in the factory are in order according to quality standard. We have a huge advantage. With 500 units machines in stock all year round, we can ship quickly. The company founder, Mrs. Young, has 15 years of experience in the field of used machinery packaging, skilled in market supply, management, sales, marketing, and supply chain full process operation. Machinery has been transformed from a single second-hand machinery at the beginning of the founding to a full range of different machinery and its accessories rental and selling. Welcome to the world of machinery.